Hi, I've used different modalities to try to get to the root cause of my clients' needs, and none of them have worked anywhere remotely close to PSYCH-K. So I can tell you, PSYCH-K is the best thing since sliced bread, and I'm not exaggerating. This is purely on the PSYCH-K itself, on the founder of PSYCH-K, listening to what he says, and the inspirational message that he gives out. I've been searching, and I've been with lots of different people, learning from them, and many of them have had really good stuff to say. But Rob Williams says stuff that just totally resonates with what I believe in, have believed in, and I think I found my tribe. And lastly, just one note on my instructor of these 3 days that I've had here, which have been absolute blissful learning experience. My instructor has been Sharon Locke, and she is a warm, wonderful individual, a terrific soul, and talk about collaboration. She's the epitome of collaboration. I love her dearly. I hope that helps.